When it comes to adventure bikes, there's always one question riders ask: what if you could get the perfect balance between power, comfort, and real off-road capability without going into the heavyweight category? Well, Honda might have just answered that question with the all-new 2026 Honda Sahara 300. This bike isn't just another small adventure machine, it's a statement that you don't need a massive engine to explore the world. A statement that lightweight bikes can still deliver serious performance, and most importantly, a statement that adventure riding is for everyone. Today, we're going deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Honda Sahara 300, from design to performance, features to real-world usability, and whether this bike is actually worth your attention. So sit back, and let's dive in. If first impressions matter, and the moment you look at the Sahara 300, it instantly feels like a true adventure bike. Honda didn't design this bike to look cheap or entry-level. Instead, it carries that premium Dakar-inspired styling: sharp front beak, aggressive LED headlamp, tall windscreen, and a stance that screams ready for the wild. The body panels are sleek yet rugged, giving it a proper dual-sport personality. It looks just as comfortable parked in the city as it does standing in the middle of a desert trail, and honestly, that's exactly what this bike is built for. The upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and slim midsection make it super rider-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, you'll instantly feel at home on this machine. Now let's talk about what really matters: the engine. The 2026 Sahara 300 is powered by a refined 300 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, and before you think only 300cc, let me stop you right there, because this engine is tuned for real-world usability, not just numbers. You're getting smooth power delivery, strong low-end torque, and enough top-end performance to comfortably cruise on highways. This means city riding, effortless highway cruising, stable and smooth off-road trails. Confident and controlled, Honda has clearly focused on making this bike versatile, and it shows. The throttle response is predictable, which is exactly what you want when riding on unpredictable terrain, and thanks to Honda's legendary reliability, this engine is built to last. But power alone doesn't define an adventure bike. What really separates a good bike from a great one is how it handles. And this is where the Sahara 300 truly shines. The bike features a lightweight chassis that makes it incredibly easy to maneuver. Whether you're weaving through traffic or tackling rough trails, it feels agile and responsive. The suspension setup is tuned for adventure riding: long travel forks at the front and a capable rear monoshock. This allows the bike to absorb bumps, potholes, and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. You don't feel every little imperfection on the road. Instead, you glide over it, and when you take it off-road, that's when the real magic happens: loose gravel, dirt tracks, uneven surfaces. The Sahara 300 handles it all with confidence. It gives you that feeling of control, which is extremely important for both beginners and experienced riders. Braking is another area where Honda didn't cut corners. The Sahara 300 comes equipped with disc brakes on both ends, supported by ABS. This ensures strong and reliable stopping power, whether you're riding in the city or descending a steep trail. And yes, for off-road enthusiasts, the ABS system is likely switchable, allowing you to slide and control the bike better on loose surfaces. That's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference. Now let's move towards comfort, because what's the point of an adventure bike if you can't ride it for long hours? The Sahara 300 is designed with long-distance comfort in mind. The seat is well cushioned and spacious, making it suitable for extended rides. The upright ergonomics reduce strain on your back and shoulders, and the windscreen helps deflect wind, making highway rides less tiring. This is a bike you can ride for hours without feeling exhausted, and that's exactly what adventure riding is all about. Technology is another area where the 2026 model steps things up. You're getting a modern digital display, likely featuring all essential information like speed, gear position, fuel level, trip data, and more. Some variants may even include smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and ride data tracking. LED lighting all around ensures better visibility and a premium look, and small details like USB charging ports make a big difference during long trips. Honda understands modern riders, and it shows in the features. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency, something that really matters for riders in countries like Pakistan and India. A 300 cubic centimeters engine from Honda is expected to deliver excellent mileage, especially when compared to larger adventure bikes. This means you can go further without constantly worrying about fuel stops, and when combined with a decent fuel tank capacity, the Sahara 300 becomes a true long-distance machine. But here's the real question: who is this bike actually for? If you're someone who wants to enter the world of adventure riding, if you want a bike that can handle daily commuting, weekend touring, and off-road exploration, if you don't want something too heavy or intimidating, then the Sahara 300 might just be the perfect choice for you. It's beginner-friendly, yet capable enough to satisfy experienced riders. That's a rare Combination. Now let's be real for a second, no bike is perfect, and the Sahara 300 is no exception. Some riders might feel that a 300 cubic centimeters engine is not powerful enough for aggressive highway riding, others might want more advanced electronics like traction control or riding modes, but here's the thing. This bike isn't trying to compete with 700 cubic centimeters or 1000 cubic centimeters monsters. It's designed to offer a balanced, practical, and accessible adventure experience, and in that role, it absolutely delivers. So, is the 2026 Honda Sahara 300 worth it? If you're looking for a lightweight, reliable, and versatile adventure bike, if you want something that can do a bit of everything, if you value comfort, efficiency, and real-world usability over raw power, then yes, this bike is definitely worth considering. It's not just a motorcycle, it's your gateway to adventure, because at the end of the day, adventure isn't about how big your engine is. It's about how far you're willing to go, and the Sahara 300 is ready to take you there. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to Smart Drive Hub and stay tuned for more amazing content. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.